Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have different meanings. Two is a homophone. There are 3 ways to spell two. I have 2 apples. I have apples too. She wanted to take the apples. If you don't know which spelling to use, look up the meaning in a dictionary. 2 is a number. 2 is like saying also or extra. 2 means a direction or place. In this case, she was moving in a direction to take the apples. There is another homophone. There is a dog. Their dog is barking. They're going for a walk. There is a place or location. Here is the location of the dog. There is when something belongs to someone. There means they are.